So hi everybody, I'm here barefaced and ready to go. I said I would come on and demo the at-home facial kit for you tonight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the anti-aging one, just because I feel I need it. So the first thing you do is you get your cleanser, and there is a green tea cleanser in it. There's a good bit of cleanser in it, so one sachet will do for both facials. So you literally dab it all over your skin, and then you add water. So obviously I'm doing everything with one hand tonight. So you literally then, I've added the water and you work it into your skin for a few minutes. And it's green tea cleanser, so it's a very powerful antioxidant. Now don't forget your neck. And so it's anti-aging. It has silk proteins in it, so it's hydrating, and it has a thing called fuco gel, so it leaves a lovely film on your skin. It means your skin is really soft after you use it. So work it in with some water for a few minutes. So normally I would take this off with a face cloth or damp cotton wool, but I have run out of damp cotton wool, so I'm using a damp tissue tonight, which is obviously not ideal, but good enough. So then I'm going to pat it dry with a tissue, like so. So then I'm going to take my bio wipe. Now this has 5 different types of acids on it. So it's great for brightening and exfoliating your skin and taking off the dead layer of skin so that your products penetrate more deeply. Don't use this so the wipe comes like this, but when you open it up, it's really big. So this is it opened all the way, but you don't need that much of it. So leave it in half or even quartered, and you're just going to rub it all over your face. It's really moist, and right down onto your neck. Don't forget your neck. Okay, and as you can see, as I say, it makes your skin really bright. Now, you don't wash anything off of this. You leave it on your skin because it continues to work on your skin. And put this back in the wrapper. It's really moist. It lasts for at least a week, so you can use it for your second facial. So then I'm going to take my bio wipe. Now this has 5 different types of acids on it. So it's great for brightening and exfoliating your skin and taking off the dead layer of skin so that your products penetrate more deeply. Don't use this if you... So then you're going to take your ampule. These are the age complex ones in the anti-aging box. There's different ones in each box. And you're going to pop the little plastic container that you get with the ampules over the top and use them to snap them open, because they're thick plastic and they protect your hands, because the ampules are in glass bottles. They can be very sharp when they open, so you need to be careful when you're opening the ampule. And then you're going to apply the ampule again all over your face and neck. And then you're going to massage it in for about maybe 5 or 10 minutes and concentrate on the areas you want to concentrate on. So most people have fine lines around the eye area. Concentrate in here, obviously along the brow lines. So just work it in all the way around. Try and do movements up. You don't want to be dragging skin down, so always up, not down. And it's really rich, so you'll find there's plenty of slip on it, and it'll take a while to work it in. The secret to a good facial massage is pressure. So once you're doing upward movements and you're not being too rough and dragging the skin, a little bit of pressure is fine. So next you're going to take your mask, and you get 2 masks in the box. So make sure you have a sachet 1 and a sachet 2. Sachet 2 has powder in it. So what I've done just to speed it up is I've thrown the powder into the bowl. I'm using like an old Chinese takeaway plastic container. So put your powder in first, and then the other sachet 1 has the gel, and you pour that in on top. And what I do is I do it like a toothpaste. So whatever's handy to mix it up in. You get spatulas in the box to mix it up with them. So I don't know if you can see it there. When you start mixing, it looks like it's not going to mix. So you can see some powder left. So keep mixing on all the powder is gone. So you can see now I have a good lump of it on the spatula, and I'm just going to start applying it to my face like so. And it goes on quite thickly. Don't wear your best clothes doing this, just in case you get some dropping on it. If it does So literally just keep applying it, and you leave it on quite thick, because what you want to do is that it'll come off in one even piece. So as you're applying it, you can just keep evening it out. Use the flat part of the spatula as opposed to the edge of the spatula. That's the easiest way to do it. Now you can go, I look like Mrs. Doubtfire, you can go right down over your lips, and it can go over your eyes as well. Sometimes, obviously not when I'm on camera, but what I do is close my eye and put it over one eye and take a scoop. Now obviously because I'm sitting up, this is going to run a bit, but like any facial, ideally what you do is pop it on, lie back and relax for about 15 minutes, and then we'll take it off. So I'll come back in a few minutes when it's dried and take it off for you. So it's on a few minutes now, and it starts to dry from the outside in, and what it's doing is everything you've applied beforehand, it's pushing it deeper into the skin. It's really cold, so it lowers your body temperature for about 6 to 8 degrees, so it's tightening. And see you, I would do that too, because it's really good. Particularly I suffer from hay fever and allergies, so it's gorgeous over your eyes because it's so soothing and cooling, and it feels gorgeous over your eyes. Okay, so it's been on a good 10-15 minutes now, and what I'm going to do is literally put my fingers all around the edge of it, and it'll just lift off. You can see it's just coming off. So once you put your fingers all around it, it literally will just peel off like so. So there's a little bit in my hair, but you can see, I think you can see my skin is. So this is my skin directly after the mask came off, and then what I'm going to do is just apply another little bit of the ampule. There's loads. So that's my skin. I'll go a little bit closer so you can see it directly after the treatment. Yeah, so my skin feels much more hydrated, and it feels gorgeous, I have to say. I love the cold mask. I haven't had one since the salon closed, so yeah, I'm really happy with it. So if you've questions about the facials or any of the boxes, feel free to give me a shout.